This literature kit on The Call of the Wild by Jack London includes comprehension questions that help break down the chapters for all readers. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Brainstorm reasons why carrying official reports by dogsled was an important job. Put yourself in Buck's shoes and explain why his ancestral instincts will help him in his new life. Answer questions about events surrounding the dog's first meeting with their new owners. Determine what kept Buck from accepting the pull towards the wilderness. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as researching the Klondike Gold Rush and answering questions about your knowledge. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Compile a list of physical characteristics or personality traits of the main character and find a quote that supports it. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.